Hey, it's Jamila from Buy Pink, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make custom watch bands using Cricut Infusible inks. I will also link where I got the watch band. The one that is on my watch face now is one that I did previously. I am using this black and white floral for this band, but it is very easy to do. I'm using the 6x7 Cricut Easy Press. However, you can use even the Easy Press Mini will work for this. I'm also using the infusible inks that are pre-cut to work with the Cricut Joy, but for this, we're not using the any machine to cut this, so you can use scraps that you have laying around of the infusible ink, or you can use full sheets. This is a great product to sell if you sell on Etsy or at local craft fairs. This is a great one to make to sell. I'm always looking for unique watch bands, and the Cricut Infusible Inks comes in so many different patterns that it makes it really easy to have a variety of watch bands. The first thing you're going to do before you get started is go ahead and use your lint roller to remove any lint or debris that may be on your watch band. From there, flatten out your infusible ink, and really easily, you're just going to use some heat tape and tape it down really good all the way around. You don't want any part of the watch band to stick up or not be directly connected to your infusible ink transfer, because then you'll get ghosting or you'll have areas that don't have the ink on them. And from here, after I have taped everything down, I cut around the transfer sheet because obviously there's no reason to waste this entire sheet for one set of watch bands. I can actually get a few projects out of this. So after I've cut around the watch band, I cut some slits where it connects, and that's so that I can fold it over the edges of the band, because I want those to be pressed at least far enough around that when it's sitting on my wrist, you can't see that white area. So just fold it over and tape that down. For these for these watch bands, or I preheated my Easy Press to 485, and I pressed it for 45 seconds. Now with the mini, you obviously don't have heat press settings. I would say try on the medium setting first. But before I press, I um, put down a piece of butcher paper. I just used a random sheet that I had laying around still. Place it, transfer sheet up on your piece of butcher paper. You want the transfer sheet part directly next to the heat plate on your press. And then you're just going to press it, uh, like I said, for I'm sorry, three. After you've finished pressing the watch band, you want to peel the transfer sheet off while it's hot and then assemble it. You are going to have where the holes that you stick the pins through have melted together a little bit, and if you just shove it through, it'll go right through. But there's a little button on the back of your watch band. You just press it and slide the old band out for you to be able to put the new band in. The new bands come with pins, a screwdriver, and just everything you need for the watch band. And you just take and put one of the pins in through the top of the watch band, and then the same thing with the other side. Um, I'm not sure what all these parts are called, but there's a little middle piece that kind of it doesn't come with any instructions, so I had to figure this out completely on my own. But you have that little middle piece that makes it look like, I guess, a belt buckle. So just put everything in and then get the top part on also. It's a little bit easier to see when it's right in front of you, and it's not that hard to do. You just have to have some nails to be able to push the pin. The pin has like a spring in it. You have to be able to push the pin down so that you can get it into both spots. And you also want to make sure that you're putting everything together the correct way because you want to be able to press that button to get it out in and out without it just sliding in and out on its own. But as I said, this is a very quick and easy project. It's a great one to add to any online stores, or if you have a Cricut business, to add to your Cricut business. Um, if you try this, make sure you come back and drop me a comment and let me know what you think about the project. And thanks for watching.